Hello, dear children. Welcome to all in St. Xavier's online classes. This is Utkarsh Khare. Today, I have brought a very interesting topic for class 2nd students in mathematics. Our topic is before, between, and after. This is the part 1 of this lesson. Here you will learn before numbers. But before proceeding further in this lesson, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, first you have to subscribe it, press bell icon for the latest notification, and after watching video, like and share it among your friends. Now dear students, let's move in this class. Students, you are learning numbers from your nursery classes till class 1. Basically the numbers which you are learning from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Students, these are the foundation of any numbers. Basically, only these numbers can form any type of numbers. You have not seen any other number in mathematics. So I am showing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Only these numbers can make any types of number in the maths. Maths is a subject, it depends on your practice. I hope dear students you are doing practice regularly. Now we should understand our topic. Let's move to the board. Dear students, we are learning today before numbers. What we are learning? Before numbers. Got it? This is our concept. As I have already shown numbers, I hope you recognized well, and I will ask immediately, you will give reply from them only. Only 0 to 9 numbers. There is no other number to learn. See, I am giving two examples first. I am writing number 15 here and one is 17. I hope it is very easy to give the answer, but as much as you will enter in the chapter, it will be difficult. But I hope I will tell the concept, there no number is difficult to find out. See the numbers. Number 1 is 15 and number 2 is 17. There are two numbers are here. How to find out the before numbers? If you have not learned, it is easy. Maybe all child have learned, but the logic behind. You see, when we are finding any before numbers, always you see the first number will be same. One should be here, one should be here. So only you see the last number. Like 5 is here. So what comes before 5? 4. Very good. What comes before 7? 6. Any problem? What comes before 15? 14. We got answer. What comes before 17? 16. Any problem? I hope you got answer well. There is no problem. I didn't ask and nobody said the 14. Only I asked what comes before 5. You said 4. I have written 4. Immediately your answer is showing on the board. Next number, I asked to you what comes before 7. You told me 6. I have written, both answer are correct. Now let's do some more practice so you can understand well. Take some more example. Before number I am learning, so again and again I am not writing. You have to show 3 examples. 37, 28, 29. Three examples I have taken easy. First I am teaching you from the basic, then I will teach some other number. See the logic behind. 3 should be same. What number should be changed? 7. The numbers which on the ones place. So in what comes before 7? 6. Got answer? Before 37, 36 is the right answer. Any problem? First number will be same. Last number is 8. So what comes before 8? 7. Any problem? No. I hope you understand well. Next, first number should be same. Last number is 9. So what comes before 9? 8. Any problem? Now 2 digits number you can understand properly. There is not any problem. One more example we will see. See, because math is an interesting subject. I love math very much. I hope you also love, because there is nothing to learn. Only depends on your practice. As much you do practice, you will be very good in the math. See, I am writing number 69, 78 and 99. 3 examples more I have taken. Maybe if I will ask what will come 78, no one can reply in a fast way. Whether you have learned all numbers. Immediately reply is very difficult for all students. Some can give, but everyone cannot. So I brought a logic behind this. If somebody is asking what numbers will come before of any number, just go to the last number. The last means where here is the 9 last, here is 8 is the last, and this is the 9 is last. See the logic. I am writing 6 here, and the number what comes before 9? 8. Answer is correct. Any problem? No. 7 is already written. What is the last number? Last number is 8. What comes before 8? 7. Any problem? Answer we got. First number is 9 and last number is 9. What comes before 9? 8. So we got all 3 answer correctly. There is not any mistake. You see, whether while counting you can occur any mistake, but with the logic you cannot do any type of mistake. See, before 69, 68. Before 78, 77. Before 99, 98. Now see some more examples of other numbers. But before doing examples, we are doing some exceptional number. Exceptional means, first I am writing like 20, 30, 40. These types of number like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 19. Where any number that ends on 0. Understood very clearly. Any number which ends on 0. Always when somebody is asking you, tell me that before number of that number. You always remember this 0 will be changed into 9. Which number? 9. Always change this number will be 9. And the number will change which will be beside that. Beside that means here we are only having 2 number. But when we learn 3 digit, then you have to see only the number which is besiding to the sitting near the 0. So here who is sitting near the 0? 2. So we will change this. What comes before 2? 1. And 0 will be changed into 9. What comes before 3? 2. 0 will be changed into 9. What comes before 4? 3. And 0 will be changed into 9. Any problem? All 3 numbers we got a correct answer without any mistake. Whether you learn or not learn. When somebody is asking to you a before number, that time you may mistake. But with this logic you cannot do any mistake in your copy. Do the practice with logic and your before number will never wrong. Now let's move, do the practice of some other numbers. See, because our concept is the 3-digit number, so you have to see what are the 3-digit numbers. 125, 228, 339. These numbers I written. Only just go to the last number. Whether you learn or not is no problem. First two number will be same. Last number, what is 5? What comes before 5? 4. What comes, same number will be here. What comes before 8? 7. You see, the next two number will be 3. And what comes before 9? 8. I hope you understand this well. There is not any type of problem. All your answer correct. Any book you can check your answer anywhere. There will not occur any type of mistake in these before number. This is the concept. If you will learn and play math with me with logic, you can never make any mistake. Now we will see some more examples. See. Now I am writing exceptional numbers. 330, 340 and 990. Very difficult because number is very big. I already told the last number 0 is always change into 9. आपको there is no, आपको कुछ करना ही नहीं है. 0 will change into 9 and the number which is sitting near the number 0. Only first number will be 3. Here also 3. Here also 9. Got it? What is sitting near the 0? 3. तो आपको 3 से पहले देखना है कि what will come before 3? 2 and 0 change into 9. 3 will be same. What comes before 4? 3. 0 change into 9. 9 will be same here and this 9 is also sitting with this 9, 0. So this is sitting near. So this 9, what will come before 9? 8. And this 9, 0 will be changed into 9. Any book you can check your answer. There is not any mistake. I hope you understand well. 3 more examples 4 we will do on your copy. Because your copy is a square copy, so I am telling one number should be in a box, not at anywhere. So this is your copy, dear students. Because your copy is a square copy where you need a practice much, because while you are writing you forgot you are writing 2 numbers in one box. That is wrong. So I hope I am telling once more, you will not do such type of mistake. I am writing the number like this. 1, 2 examples I will give you. 3-digit number 379, 485. Any number, any one can say any number. That I will tell. You see the numbers when from 1 to 9. That time only last number will change. Only you see. So 3 will be same, 7 will be same and 9 will change into 8. What comes before 9? 8. See. Next example, 4 will be same, 8 will be same. What comes before 5? 4. So we got answer. What comes before 379? 378. What comes 485? 484. Some more example now let's see. I am writing. See. 473, 392. only when 0 will be at the last, then two numbers will change. Otherwise two number will never change, whether 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, any digit number. Always remember, when 0 will be last number, then two numbers will change. When 0 will not be there, only last number will change. You have to see. 4 will be same, 7 will be same. Any problem? What comes before 3? 2. Got answer? Any problem? No. 3 will be same, 9 will be same. What comes before 2? 1. Well done. Any problem? I hope you understand well. Now 0 also, that concept I am making clear. Once more, see, any number, like number is 760 and 440. Got it? So what will be? 0 change into 9, and the number which is beside are sitting near to 0. First number 7 will be same. What comes before 6? 5, and 0 change into 9. Same, 4 will be same here, and this 4 will be, what comes before 4? 3, and 0 change into 9. I hope everything is clear to all. Any problem? No. Very good. Now let's see some very important things. This one, if the number may be 600. See, if the may be number 700, how to write before numbers? आपको ये प्रॉब्लम करेगा. अब आप देखिए क्या है नंबर. I told कि 0 will be changed into 9. अब यहाँ पे we are having 2 0. It is very confusing because 0 is sitting near 0, because besiding also 0. Both are 0. It is very confusing because sir has not told. So I am telling. Because I already told the 0 will change into 9. Any problem? No. What is sitting beside number? You see, which number is there? 6. What comes before 6? 5. This is number 7. What comes before 7? 6. Any book